Introducing Leader's NDI Checker. Maintaining complete visibility across your entire NDI network with Leader's live monitoring solution optimized for broadcast and Pro AV environments. Whether you're managing a small production studio or a complex multi-venue broadcast operation, NDI Checker provides the reliability and insight you need when failure is not an option. NDI Checker enables your team to detect issues before they become problems, maintaining optimal signal quality and ensuring flawless delivery during your most critical productions. With intuitive visualization tools and powerful diagnostic capabilities, NDI Checker transforms complex network data into actionable insights. So, if you want to see what NDI Checker can do for your workflows, and whether it's the right fit, download the trial version of the NDI Checker software and try it for yourself using the QR code displayed on the screen. Then install it on your Windows 11 system and start monitoring your NDI network in minutes. Whether you're running a small studio or managing a large-scale broadcast operation, NDI Checker gives you instant insight and confidence. And if you need support, our technical team is ready to help every step of the way. Simple to try, powerful in practice. Leader, test with clarity, measure with accuracy, and monitor with confidence.